Hello, my friends. Look at this adorable little guy. Doesn't he just make you want to croak? I just love him. Well, you know what? He is on our club set for this month. Yay! I can't wait to share our club sets with you. Are you ready? Here it is. It is called Frogs to Stamp. And look at those cute little chubby guys. I absolutely love them. They have a cute little lily pad. They have this long little funny looking thing there. That is a tongue, so they can get that cute little fly if they want to. And look at that. Happy birthday. I never forgot your birthday. Just eat whatever bugs you. I totally love you. Don't forget to love yourself totally. Isn't that awesome? Now, of course, there are dies that match. Now, I threw in an extra little crown because you know what? I'm like, how cute. You have to kiss some frogs to get your prints, right? So cute. I added the inside dies, of course, because you know I love to do that because then you can cut it different ways. And the lily pad, we got our little tongue on there, our little fly. So adorable, okay? Of course, our club members also get the idea card as well, and there are lots of ideas on our website. Now, Stamp Club members get the stamp set. Die Hard Club members get the same stamps and the dies that match. And you know what? They're sent automatically. Ken gets up extra early on the 1st of every month, and he gets those in the mail. Are you ready to see my amazing samples? Now, you might just see some sneak peeks on here, so just be warned. Look at how cute this little guy is. Just eat whatever bugs you. Look at those cute little lily pad flowers. Wow, but look at him, he's sitting on there. Don't worry, be hoppy. Here's a cute one. Oh, lots of sneak peeks on this one. Have a hoppy day. Look at how cute that is. Open that up. What's new? Oh, what's new? Hop on over. I love it. Here's a cute one. Oh, I love the rainbow background. Happy birthday. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that. Oh, here's another sneak peek one. Oh, on a slimline. They fit perfect on a slimline. Look at that. And they're so fun to color. You can watercolor them. You can use colored pencils. You have so many different options. My friend, I miss you. Look at this cute one. Oh, you could do a little love bug one. Look how cute those guys are. So fun. They're just looking at each other. How do you get that? Use our palette for mirror. What? I know, it's awesome. Okay, now I have a couple more sneak peeks. Look at this one. This is the perfect cake topper. You just use these, you put these toothpicks in your cake, and now we can have a toad or a frog party. Look at how cute this one is. What's hoppin'? More sneak peeks. You need to stay tuned for that video and get in on this month's bundle before it's too late, because once it's gone forever. Look at this cute little box ribbit. Look at that little crown. I love it. Okay, here's two more. Oh, a couple more. Here's a cute little lily pad. Happy birthday. I totally love you. Ooh, look how pretty this one is. Lily pad. Oh, I love that. And, oh, look at our embossing folder. Mom's in the background. You gotta love that extra texture in the background. So exciting. Now, club members, yours are already on their way to you. Yay! Club members get 15 to 20% off everything on our website. That includes machines, organization, Totally Tiffany items, stamps, dies, acrylic blocks, inks, everything. I know, isn't that exciting? And you earn club points on every purchase and every club shipment. It's so amazing. You even get anniversary gift certificates. Oh my gosh, you guys, we just try to spoil you as much as possible. Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com. Get in on this. Get signed up for the club as soon as possible, because you know what? You don't want to miss out. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.